Learn English with Learning Buddy. Should, should have been, or shouldn't have. Number 1. You should blank to your boss. Is it spoken, or speaking? When you see the words should, can, could, would, and also the words may, might, ought, and must, etc., you should remember that the following verb or the preceding verb should be in the verb 1, or what we call the base form of the verb. Let's take a look at these choices. A, speak is the verb 1, so it is the answer in this sentence. Speaks is verb 5, while C, spoken, is verb 3, and letter D is verb 4. The answer is A. You should speak to your boss. Remember, modal verbs plus the base form of the verb, or what we call the verb 1. Number 2, you should have blank to your boss. The clue in this sentence is the word have. When you see the words has, have, and had, the following main verb should be in the past participle form, or what we call the verb 3. Which among the choices is the verb 3? Again, speaks is not verb 3. It is called verb 5. So this is verb 5. The verb 3 is letter B. Letter C is verb 4. Letter D is verb 1. So the answer is B. You should have spoken to your boss. How about number 3? Let's read the sentence. She should have been blank to her mother. Is it A, B, C, or D? What's gonna be the clue in this sentence? The clue in this sentence is the word been. When you see the primary helping verbs is, are, was, were, including been, you should always remember that the main verb should be in its verb 4 or the ing form. It is in the continuous form. Which among the choices is in the ing form? Of course, it's letter C, speaking. Verb number 4. The sentence reads, she should have been speaking to her mother. Let's proceed to number 4. She should have blank to her mother. What's gonna be the answer? Is it A, speak, B, speaks, C, spoken, or D, speaking? The clue in this sentence is the word have. Look at the example in number 2. Is it verb 1, verb 5, verb 3, or verb 4? Share your answer in the comments. And thanks for watching. Tayo na at gumaling sa English Grammar. English Grammar Review, alin kaya sa mga pagpipilian ang dapat na isagot sa bawat pangungusap? Number 1. My dog loves blank with me. Is it play, playing, or played? Pag nakita natin ang mga salitang love, hate, start, begin, at pati na rin yung S form at past tense form nito or verb 2, dapat ang susunod ay nasa ing or nasa infinitive form. Playing, kasi gerund form yung salitang playing. Maliban sa gerund form niya, pwede mo lang ilagay yung infinitive form niya, yung to plus the base form of the verb. So you could say, my dog loves playing with me, or my dog loves to play with me. Number 2, Ronald has a habit of blank a bath 4 times a day. Is it take, had taken, is taking, or taking? Ang clue natin dito ay yung salitang of. Tandaan, ang susunod dapat ay ing. Ang clue mo ay yung preposition na of na dapat sinusundan ng ing form. Hindi pwede yung take, hindi pwede yung had taken kasi verb yun. Hindi rin pwede yung is taking kasi verb phrase yun. Ang sagot ay taking. Tandaan, preposition na of, tapos yung kanyang object na noun. So yung taking is a gerund form, hindi na siya verb, siya po ay noun. Review verbals. Number 3, Stephanie says that she planned to watch a movie. Ang clue naman dito sa sentence ay ang salitang says. Ang says ay present ang tense. Ibig sabihin, yung hinahanap natin doon sa blank ay dapat ay present din ang tense. Specifically, present continuous. Kasi kasalukuyang sinasabi ni Stephanie yung bagay tungkol sa movie. Is it A, B, C, or D? Alin kaya may ing? A, B, C. Pero alin kaya sa kanila ang dapat na isagot? Is it was? Past yung was. Is? Present yung is. Or were? Plural past ang were. So, ang isasagot natin, dahil present ang pinag-uusapan, is yung letter B. Stephanie says that she is going to watch a movie. Alright? That is the answer. How about number 4? From whom did the invitation blank? Is it A, has came, B, come, C, comes, or D, came? Ang clue naman dito ay yung salitang did. Hindi ba sinabi natin sa isang video natin na kapag nakita ang do, does, did, pati na rin ang don't, doesn't, and didn't, dapat ang susunod na verb or yung main verb ng sentence ay nasa base form, walang conjugation, hindi nagtatapos sa S, sa ES, sa D, sa ED, o iba pang mga letrang irregular verbs. Hindi natin isasagot yung A kasi hindi ito ang base form of the verb. Hindi rin isasagot yung C dahil S form ito ng verb na come. Hindi rin sasagot yung D dahil ito ay past tense ng word na come. Ang sagot ay yung base form, yung come. Dahil gumamit tayo ng did. From whom did the invitation come? Hindi mo na pwedeng lagyan din ng from sa dulo ha dahil gumamit na tayo ng from sa unahan. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin from whom did the invitation come from. Alright? So sana ay natutuhan natin kung paano sagutan ang mga ganitong uri ng pagsusulit. Don't forget to like and share this video. Don't forget to learn, create, and succeed with Learning Buddy.